So we're here today at Oldfield Forge, and this is Aaron who's going to be telling us a bit about making arrows.
Yes.
And particularly the heads. So Aaron, thank you very much for your time today.
So it comes from when the records when the blacksmiths were preparing for Agincourt. The English artists did so many arrows. The blacksmiths recorded enough arrows that it mathematically worked out one arrow every 90 seconds. So the arrow in question is a bodkin arrow. It's the easiest to make and it's the most effective in the field. It pierces chainmail, and if it's very particularly weak plate armour, it'll go through that as well. Although interestingly enough, the ones they found at Agincourt didn't match up to the armour that they would have been shot at. So what that means is that they're so long and thin that they go through chainmail, but if they hit the plate armour that the French are using, most of them would bend over with a JR. Which is why it was the horses that popped it as opposed to the people. And there are two ways of making bodkin arrowhead. The first one takes a decent amount of time, makes the arrowhead look nice, and you're using a lot more tools. But when you're preparing for war, you want as many as you possibly can. And this means making it very fast. This technique goes well for me to do without needing a single pair of tongs. We find out how long we want our socket to be. We knock the corner of the anvil in, and we do that on all four sides. And this makes a lovely transition between the arrowhead and the socket. Begin to spread the socket out, and one thing I do not have is a crossbeam hammer. Got one here. Once we've hammered the socket out a little bit, we're going to use the crossbeam on the hammer to draw out the socket. We're going from quite a big lump of metal to something quite thin, very wide, like a fan. And this would have been done probably by two people, one person with a sledgehammer or with a fullerene tool specifically designed for it, which is why they were able to do it so quick. You see the crossbeam spreading out each side. Very nicely. It curls better, flatten it out. That's the beginnings of the socket.
Aiming for your 90 seconds?
No. Otherwise I wouldn't be told. I'm sure you're ready for that though.
Well, 90 seconds.
Yeah. So to curl this over, we come to this little ridge in the anvil and we're hitting it on the sides. We want to be curling the sides over first of all, otherwise you end up with straight bits and a socket which isn't round. Once we've got vaguely what we want, I think the 90 seconds comes from having a smith, instead of the smith having a hammer, he's got a tool.
Yeah,
and then there's someone else with a small sledgehammer, which is very nuts. Starting
a line of apprentices.
We're starting at the very top of the socket, trying to get that to roll over first, before bringing the rest of it in.
And that's so it goes into a conical shape and not just a tube.
And they have the socket. And it's not perfect. It'll get thrown onto someone else who will round it off. We reckon, again, another contribution to it being 90 seconds is you'll have forges in a line. One person, bang bang bang, does one thing, throws it onto the next, bang bang bang, and the next person. The beginnings of industrialisation.
Production line.
Now this is the fun bit. is the way it differs. Normally, somebody would cut off the block, which is going to be the head, take it off, hold it at the top and forge it. You're working quickly, don't bother. Straight on the anvil, decide how big you want your head to be. Hammer that into the anvil. You can already see our bodkin head. It's almost there. And make sure the arrowhead's straight so it'll fly right. We always work that at the neck, but you can't do that too much, otherwise you end up with little fractures going on. Now at this point, bend it off, or if you want to be super quick, pull off the arrowhead, bend it off, and then it gets finely sharpened by someone on a grinding wheel later on. And that's how they did it very fast.
You're on 50 seconds.
Yeah. Oh, I won't get the 90-second mark.
I know, I'll just give you some time, like, perspective. Seconds.
Also helps if you've got a nice clean fire.
That's not covered in clinker.
Powerful bellows.
Minutes 15.
And then add probably about
30 seconds.
Yeah, to sharpen that up.
Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please click on the like button below so that I know what people like and I know what to make more of. Alternatively, if you've enjoyed it and think you'd like to see more, please click on the subscribe button. That way you get notified by YouTube whenever I bring out a new video. And you never know, there might be something in there that you hadn't considered, because I do cover a variety of things on the channel. And finally, if you have a little bit of cash going, I now have a Patreon account. I'm always looking for patrons, because at the end of the day, let's be perfectly honest, it's a good way for me to get a little bit of money that will use to buy review items or to travel to museums and so on. I don't put a huge amount on that. At the minute, all we've got is one tier charging £1 a month, which just, as I said, helps cover my costs. See you soon.